Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. As we have said before, in German there are three past tenses. There is the Präteritum, there is the Perfekt, and the Plusquamperfekt. Well, today is the time to talk about Plusquamperfekt. Plusquamperfekt is in English the past perfect tense. This tense is not used very often. We use this tense to describe situations or events that happened in the past, and they also happened before another situation or event. Let's take a look at an example in English. The rain had already stopped when we arrived. Der Regen hatte schon aufgehört, als wir ankamen. The sentence with the verb hatte aufgehört is in Plusquamperfekt. This is simply because this sentence describes an action that happened before something else. Therefore, the second sentence, als wir ankamen, is going to be in either Präteritum or Perfekt. In this case, the ankamen is in Präteritum. How do we form the Plusquamperfekt? Very easy, guys. Do you remember the perfect tense in German? If you don't, pause this video and take a look at this one first. If you do remember, then we take the perfect form of a verb and we only change the auxiliary verb to Präteritum. For example, der Regen hat aufgehört. This is the perfect form. But Plusquamperfekt. Der Regen hatte aufgehört. So guys, Plusquamperfekt is very easy because everything else except for the tense of the auxiliary verb, haben or sein, is similar as the perfect tense. So make sure you take a look at the video that we have with perfect tense. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and I'll see you all next time. Tschüss!